This week on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to go over how to clean a recreation pond. While this pond is pumping down, we're going to go ahead and start removing the debris from the shelves as the water gets low enough. So we've got this pond drained down and all the leaves and debris and everything pulled out of it. Next thing we're going to do is pressure wash it. While Bob's finishing up pressure washing, I'm going to move on to the zero edge wetland and go ahead and get that cleaned up. We're going to start that by removing all the debris, and then I'm going to use the water that's in this wetland to rinse itself. So I've got all the debris removed from it. Now I'm going to use the existing water that's in this wetland to rinse itself. So I've dropped our clean out pump in our pondless vault. And I'm going to start rinsing with that water. What I'm doing is getting all the dirt and debris that's on them rocks rinsed down through the aqua blocks and the gravel on the bottom. And then when I get it all rinsed, I'm going to pump that dirty water out. Now that we've got this wetland rinsed down and all the debris removed, we are pumping out all that dirty water. So Bob's got this all pressure washed. Now he's starting to rinse. And what he's doing while he's rinsing is he's trying to get all the dirt and muck, any algae, anything rinsed down from the top, and we rinse it down to the bottom all the way towards our clean out pump. So it'll gather and we can scoop it up. Now that we've got this wetland clean and all that dirty water pumped out, we're going to go ahead and install our pumps. I've already tested this pump to make sure it works. It's important that you test it before you put it in, because the last thing you want to do is get this full and then have to take that pump out because it's not working. We got that pump installed. We're going to go ahead and cover it back up with our lid. And then we'll get that covered back up with the rocks. So Bob is giving it one final rinse. Only one thing left after that. We'll get this thing filling, get it running, and the customers can enjoy it. Now we got this pond up and running. We want to give it our water treatments. Today I'm going to be putting in starter bacteria. How this works is each one of these pumps treats about 600 gallons. This has 10,000 gallons in it. So I did the math and it works out to 17 pumps. So I'm going to put 17 pumps in this, and they'll want to do this for the first 2 weeks every day. They'll be doing this every day for the first 2 weeks and then twice a week after that. So we've got this pond up and running and cleaned out. Hope everybody enjoyed it. If this is the sort of thing you like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, ding ding. Check us out on all of our other social media platforms. And tune in next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.